we're at the Greek Pavilion here at the Mobile World Congress in Barcelona, where I'm going to present some of the solutions that can be implemented with a mobile marketing platform built by Cytel. So our typical customer is someone with mobile marketing ideas that they're looking for a way to implement. The typical scenario is typical mobile marketing scenarios include contests, coupons, rewards, and the people that want to implement these need a white label solution, and that's where we come in. So we give the way for these people to implement their mobile marketing scenarios. And looking at some of these scenarios now, we're looking at loyalty and how a typical Greek business can use mobile marketing to drive their customer loyalty. This is a typical tavern where people go to try all the traditional Greek food, and in this business what happens is that when a customer gets the check, when they're presented with the check, they're also invited to participate to a discounts club where they can sign up with SMS, scanning a QR code, or tapping an NFC tag. Just to show you an example of how this works, I'm using my brand new NFC enabled phone to tap the NFC tag. And what this does is it opens a web page in the mobile phone browser where the consumer can fill in their contact information, so he or she can be contacted by the owner of the business with a new promotion or an offer. So when they do that, when they fill in their information and they click submit, they'll receive in their inbox, in their email inbox, the coupon via email, and on their mobile phone an SMS with the coupon as well. On the back end, on our back end, we also provide a range of statistics for people running these types of campaigns. So we have in the same campaign the different types of opt-ins that people use to participate: SMS, QR, and NFC. And we also have detailed reporting about the performance of the campaign over time, and also we have the detailed information for every contact, their name and last name, that we can later use to send personalized messages to them. Going back to our list of scenarios, the second scenario we're looking at, another very typical scenario for mobile marketing, are contests. And in this scenario, I can ask you to imagine that we've set up we've put up multiple posters in different locations, and we ask consumers to sign up by, again, either sending an SMS or scanning a QR code or tapping the NFC tag. On the reporting side of things, we give access to a range of statistics. Again, we have the different calls to action and how people have signed up, and also we have reporting on maps. We know the exact locations where people scan the QR code or the NFC tag, and this gives us performance metrics for the out-of-door advertising. So if we have multiple billboard locations, we can know the performance of each one, how each one is performing, know how many people are scanning the code in each location. And now that we've collected this information, we can use it to target new SMS campaigns. So in the form where we're composing an SMS as a broadcast campaign, instead of filling in a mobile phone number or choosing one of the contact groups we already have in our CRM, we can select the location. We can do the targeting by location, so we can choose to address only people that have participated in the specific campaign, because the system can support a number of campaigns running at the same time, but also from specific locations. So we can, for example, target different cities. In our third and final scenario, we're looking at mobile coupons and an example of how they could be used in the retail sector. In this scenario, we have a leaflet stand where the consumer walks past and picks up one of these leaflets. Here it is here. And with this leaflet, we have the traditional paper coupon that everybody can take in store to redeem. But also we're giving the opportunity to people who want to use SMS, QR or NFC to store this coupon on their mobile phone. So they can then take it in store for redemption. So when I want to store this coupon on my phone, I can use any QR reader application to scan the QR code here. So this opens up a page. Again, I'm asked to share my location, which is going to be used later for reporting. And it loads the page where I can see and store the coupon on my mobile phone, this image, for later use. And because I'm on an iPhone and our service is integrated with Apple Passbook, I can also choose to store this coupon in my passbook. So there's the pass that's come up, and I could just go with this in store to do the redemption. So to handle the redemption, we have a number of ways. We have a redemption API that can be used to integrate with a point of sale system, and also we have the option for the consumer to do it directly from their device. But finally, the easiest option for the consumer is that they can use a mobile application that's used at the point of sale, where as the cashier, I would just scan this QR code, and this application now contacts our server. This is live redemption taking place, and it's contacted our server to check that the coupon is valid, the code is valid, that it is within the date of the campaign, so that the coupon hasn't expired, and also depending on the marketing scenario, that it could be a unique redemption. On the reporting side of things, in our backend we have the full statistics for these coupons, so we know the different locations where these coupons were picked up from, but also the different locations that they were redeemed at. So in the case when we have multiple branches for a retailer, we can know how each one is performing and where we're having more coupons redeemed. Also, we have more detailed statistics about exactly what phone every consumer used to view their coupon, the exact date and time it was viewed, and also the exact date and time it was redeemed. Finally, we have a range of aggregate statistics for the performance of this coupon campaign. So we can track the coupon impressions and the redemptions, and we have things like the mean redemption time. So we know how long it took for a consumer from the time the consumer picked up the coupon using the QR code until the time they came in store to redeem it. So we have very fine-grained statistics about the performance of the coupon campaigns. So this way we have a full solution that allows us to solve one of the most common problems with paper coupons, which is that of the consumer remembering to bring it with them in store. We allow them to store their coupon on their mobile phone and to just use it. We give the retailer the opportunity to use our system in order to submit the coupons. Thank you very much for your time.